Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will create an event poster using custom shapes in Photoshop. Start with a vibrant purple background. Open the custom shape tool. Select the music note shape. Add several tones around the poster. Change each notes to color to neon sides. Now choose the circle shape and place it behind the text area. Reduce its opacity to create a soft glow and also add a star shape for extra sparkle. Position them randomly for a natural effect. Insert a wave shape at the bottom. Fill the wave with pink to add energy. Add the event name in big bold letters and also add a date and venue below. Your music event poster is fully designed in Photoshop.